I'm Beck from AJS, and this is Town Talk's Perfect Pearl Care Kit with tin. Give your pearls brilliance, deep luster wherever you may be. Inside this tin are 8 moist pearl tissues and a microfiber cloth, which is washable. So, how do you go about it? What you do is you use your moist pearl tissue and wipe that over your pearl, avoiding the thread, of course. And then follow this step using your microfiber cloth and wiping that over the pearl, just to bring out that ultimate luster. You can also use these items to clean your soft stones and your costume jewelry.